Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the battery replacement process for your Surface Pro 7, you will need the following tools: a heat gun or hairdryer, plastic spudger, T5 Torx screwdriver, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Surface Pro 7. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid any damage to your device. Begin by turning off your Surface Pro 7 completely and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that the device is powered down before proceeding. Next, use the heat gun or hairdryer to gently heat the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Be careful not to overheat the device, a few minutes should be sufficient. Once the adhesive has softened, take your plastic spudger and carefully insert it between the screen and the body of the device. Slowly work your way around the edges, gently prying the screen away from the device. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the glass. If you find resistance, you may need to apply a little more heat. After successfully removing the screen, you will see the internal components of the Surface Pro 7. Locate the battery, which is typically situated at the bottom of the device. You may need to detach some screws to access it. Use your T5 Torx screwdriver for this. As you detach screws, place them in a small container to avoid losing them. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery from its compartment. Be mindful of any connectors attached to the battery. You will need to disconnect these before fully removing it. If you find this process challenging or don't have the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, making it easier for you to get the help you need. Once the old battery is removed, take your new replacement battery and carefully connect it to the corresponding connectors. Ensure the connection is secure but do not force it. After this, place the new battery into the compartment and reattach the screws using your T5 Torx screwdriver, ensuring everything is snug and secure. Before sealing the device back up, it's a good idea to perform a quick check. Turn on your Surface Pro 7 to ensure it powers on and recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the screen. To reattach the screen, apply a thin line of adhesive around the edges of the frame. Carefully place the screen back onto the device, ensuring all corners and edges align correctly. Press down firmly to secure it in place. If you're unsure about the adhesive or the process, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Finally, let the adhesive cure for a few hours before putting your device back to regular use. If you have any questions or concerns during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. And remember, we provide a quote before any repair work starts, ensuring you know the costs up front. Your Surface Pro 7 is now ready to go with a new battery. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.